To make this delicious, quick and easy dessert, I'm using cracker squares. You can use sail or cream crackers, whatever they're called, and I'm using a tin of caramel. And all we're going to do is break up the biscuits. I've broken up all the biscuits, and now all we do is add our tin of caramel to that. And then we're just going to mix that through until all the biscuits are coated. So our biscuits are all coated now, and now we can transfer it to our dish. I'm just using a square dish like that. And then we're going to crush that down into the base. I'm using a fairly big spoon to just squish them down so that they're nice and firm. So I flattened it all out, and now we're going to take some cling film and just cover that and put it into the fridge for about an hour so that the caramel can harden a little bit. I'm just going to beat up some thickened cream. I've beaten the cream so that it forms soft peaks, and now we're just going to pour it over our dessert. I've got a peppermint crisp that I'm just going to be grating over the top of it. I'm using the fine side of the grater to do this. They have the most beautiful caramel mint tart. If you found this video helpful or you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.